New Delhi is using every brutal tactic as well as hatching sinister designs to muzzle the freedom voice of the people in the occupied Kashmir, but the Kashmiris are determined to defeat every Indian plan and carry on their struggle against all the odds. India, the world's so-called largest democracy, is denying the basic rights to the people in the occupied Kashmir, and in order to intimidate them into submission, its army and other forces personnel have intensified cordon and search operation, raids and arrests in the occupied territory. A civilian was injured in a landmine blast in the Poonch district. The incident took place when a person identified as Javed Iqbal was crossing a minefield planned by the Indian Army in the Kasbah area of the district. Canada-based CBC News said that by holding the G20 tourism meeting in Srinagar, the Indian authorities hope to show that the occupied Kashmir is now peaceful and stable following the revocation of its special status, but contrary to this, the Kashmiris termed the campaign just a facade. Elderly women held a protest demonstration in the Jammu against the anti-people policies of the authorities. The aggrieved elderly women protested in front of the office of the district social welfare officer Jammu against the denial of old age pension for the last 3 months. At least 2 residential houses were damaged in a fire mishap in North Kashmir's Baramulla district. A fire broke out from a residential house which spread to a nearby house and damaged at least 2 residential houses in Kalantara Kreri area of the district. There was no injury or any type of to any person in the incident. Meeting of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter was held in Islamabad today with its convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar in chair. The participants of the meeting said that India was violating international law in the occupied Kashmir. They said the officials of the New Delhi controlled State Investigation Agency SIA along with Indian paramilitary personnel raid the houses of Hurriyat leaders, human rights activists, journalists and even ordinary people in the territory and harassed the residents. Authorities have booked 4 innocent Kashmiris under the Black Law Public Safety Act in the Baramulla district. The authorities claimed that the detained persons were involved in anti-India activities.